Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today we're making paper snowflakes. It's so cute. So I'm going to show you a couple things today. I'm going to show you how to fold the paper, any square size paper, to make your snowflake. And then I'm going to share with you a trick where you can make a 6x6 and 8.5 by 8.5 where you would not have to do all the folding. So make sure and watch the entire video. Let's go down. Okay, so to make a paper snowflake, all you're doing is taking one sheet of letter-sized paper and you're folding it like this. You're taking your scissors and you're cutting this and fold it again, and you should have a perfect triangle like so. Open it, take this corner up here and join it to the bottom here. Just make a little crease here. Then you're going to take this bottom, join it to make a straight line with the other fold. It's going to literally make us a mark here. Then if you want to be very exact, you're going to measure up 1/8 of an inch. Then you're going to fold this down to your new mark and you're going to create a mark here and a mark here. That mark turns out to be 5.5. So if I were to mark 5.5, I will get it at the same marker right here. You see where I folded the paper here? The marker is just about the same place. What I want you to do now is take your hand, put it right here, and then fold this up until it reaches that mark up there. And you fold and turn your paper over and fold this piece, and you should get this perfect triangular piece. It should look like this. Then you're going to take this and fold it in half again, and you will get something that looks like this. You're going to cut this off. And now you have a perfectly folded triangle. What we're going to do now is we're going to sketch on this triangle. So grab yourself a pen, grab this, and draw a line like this. Say measure down about 3/4 of an inch, and then measure down an inch and maybe 1/4, and then at any angle you want. So this is not going to be fancy. This is just going to be simply any angle you want. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the part that I'm shading. And it should look like this, right? Now we're going to open it. So be careful when you're opening because these pieces are a little small. And you just simply open it like so. And we have one really cool snowflake. What you can do is you can take a piece of parchment paper, put it over this, grab your iron and iron out all the creases, and it will get really flat and lovely. So let's make 2 more. So you're going to take your 6x6 piece of paper, and as I explained to you just now, you can do all that folding, or I've worked it out for you already. You can just measure 3 3/4 on your 6x6. So what I want you to do is I want you to put 3 3/4 from here, and then put your mark on the 0. And this is where you're folding your paper to. So you fold your paper in half like so. Then you're taking your hand, putting it here, and folding this diagonally like this. And then turning it over and folding it the other way. And this way, you're going to get your perfect triangle. Look at that. That goes perfectly in line with that. So for a 6x6 piece of paper, you're marking at 3 3/4. And for 8.5 by 8.5 piece of paper, you're marking at 5.5. And now you don't have to do all that folding and worry about anything like that. So I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to cut this off and create our triangle. And now we're going to do another sketch. Let's open it and look at that. And maybe one more.
such a cute design. And it should open like this and this. Look at that. If you go on Pinterest, you can find so many other designs. Literally type in snowflake templates.
If you've reached this far, thank you so much for joining me while we made these really cute paper snowflakes. If you try it, please let me know in the comment section and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and make sure and stay tuned. There's a lot more coming. Merry Christmas and stay crafty, my friends.